Elementary School, Nawas. Sorry kayo, hindi ba sa sunod ka, hindi naman sa teacher na so, continued to like the nice school, peaceful, fresh air, hangin tayo. So, hindi ko makakailan
So, morning guys, naman na dito sa Candili Health Center. So, ito lang ang base ko sa ilang. So, nandun yung mga pasyente. Ito sila gamit diri guys, nasa live. Bang pansa height ninyo. Timbangan sa loob to. Baby at aman kay power bank sa loob. Schedule. Awareness. Pagpunta akong hapon. Pagpunta check up. So, diri guys na ay mapa. Kung kaso mawala ka sa libutan mo, walang tawon. Diri, nasa dito sa health center. Proper ways. Good morning guys, nako din lang sa Upper Candile Covered Court.
So guys, karon na ata sa Upper Candile Court. Dre pang-held ang mga events sa mga barangay hall guys or escape Adula. Ang bago dre is nasa mga bagong scheme na dipambutang, para sa libo sa taas kay di bagong ibutang. So ang pinaka-main yun yung dito is yung fan sa dako sa taas.
Good morning everyone. Kami karon sa Barangay Hall. So this is entrance. Yung hiring sila helper noon. So ngitas mag cleaner din. School pick up. So mag-ibig so muna dali ang mga dali ang mga schedules nila. Very makita na yung mga pangalan sa itong mga staff.
So now you heard that we have employments here at our barangay. Karon, what ta sa tong peace and order and how it can shape the community. So karon adlaw, akong kauban karon si Sir Tim Awid, our barangay kagawad. So, sir, what is the movements needed in the barangay for there to have peace and order?
Okay, so most importantly, youths like you should follow first and foremost the things that the youth should know, like following the curfew hours, which is from 10 p.m. to 6 in the morning. So currently, our barangay panels are doing their part in order to keep our barangay peace and in orderly. That is one example that our council is doing. And aside from that, there are some PP issues like family matters. Those are just PP issues that the barangay is facing right now. And apart from that, there are no other criminalities like heinous crimes, murder, and aside from that, some drug-related issues also, but it's all stable. So, that's it.
Thank you, sir. So, na inyo na nadungod ang peace and order diri sa Dumaguete, diri sa Barangay Cantili, diri sa Tatlan sa Dumaguete. Once again, this has been Dan Lawrence of Amazon, your resident student vlogger. Thank you and goodbye.
Yung naputay dako nga electric fan.
Ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
Good morning guys, nako diri sa kuan sa Cantil covered court. Mura?